wedding morning. Coffee talk. Morning coffee. We're making a little jar of beach. Don't look miserable.
Spread against the moon. Seed planted with intention. Fate struggling with roots. Soul tattooed in a garden. Feet firm on changing ground. Scars, echoes for tomorrow. Love circling around.
As many of you know, Isabelle met Diego when she went solo traveling to South America in the fall of 2019. Fortunately, Diego was also solo traveling in Montevideo at the same time.
I remember what you gave. Sky whispering like heaven. Dreams shouting from the past. Chains fading into thought light. Wings on butterflies at last. Gold fables with red letters. True once upon
Traveling
a
in
time.
South America. We gave her two key pieces of advice just before she left. Of course, we told her that we loved her, and we told her to be safe. I told her, don't bring home a guy. Probably more me. So Isabelle did finally return back to Newark Airport. Number one, she was safe. And number two, she came back without a guy, technically. But it was clear to me and to Sarah that she returned with Diego in her heart. But life is an adventure, and Diego and Isabelle would never have met if they both didn't follow their adventurous hearts. We love you both.
You did well. You did well.